Wow, this is great. I just love this feature. Like this. Hey, what's up, everybody? Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi Mix Flip, the first flip phone from Xiaomi. What's special about this Mix Flip? In this video, we'll take a close look at it. Unboxing Xiaomi Mix Flip, co-engine with Leica. Yeah, we have the SIM card ejector. I gotta try this phone case. Should be. So use like this. Okay. 67 watts charger. Alright, now let's move to the design of the Xiaomi Mix Flip. Whoa, see? I like it already. So on the top we don't have the infrared blaster, obviously. We have the denoise mic, and with the right side we have the power key, volume rocker, and then the hinge right in the middle. Here we have the Leica and some more information here. Okay, yes, you can see this is denoise mic here. Okay, because we have receiver here. For this one, when some more cozy, you can just pick up without unfolding it. So convenient. And move to the bottom, we have the SIM card tray, Type-C speaker, and here nothing. And this is the back. Okay, this is the white color, and we have the screen, black screen, if turned off, and the camera module right here. So first thing you might care about is the Crease. So how is it? It's obvious. So this is just opened right out of the box. So it's totally new, not used for many times. Let's check. So if we review from this angle, we can see something, right? And from this here, can notice some, but if you view like right in front, you wouldn't notice anything, I guess, right? Okay, let's change it to another wallpaper, like let's say a white one. Okay, even less obvious, right? So that is how it is, and that's basically the design. And as you can see, it supports multi-angle hovering. The best way is like this. You can just put it here. Shutter type, you can choose voice or palm shutter. 2 or 3 meters. Wow. Yeah, this is great. This is great. So as a flip phone, you might wonder, ooh, what's the new feature? Alright, so here we can go to the settings and choose the outer screen. Okay, so you can see lock screen outer. You can choose different widgets, like different. Oh, this is cute, right? Portraits, doodles, pets, and everything here. Okay, this one thing is like if you choose this photo, and then you can down here, and then when you close, okay, you will see an animation of that photo, right? But I cannot show you that because this is demo machine, and once I close the screen, it will just reset to the default image, so I cannot show that, but you can see what I mean, right? Our screen, wallpaper, and widget here. Let me show you a little bit. Our screen apps, yeah, and here you can add apps or delete apps. You can choose whatever apps you want to show on the outer screen. So you use like this way or this way. But if you use like this way, when you take a photo, you can only see how big your nose it is. Okay, you can see your nose here, so better use this way. Pocket mirror. Okay, they have a pocket mirror here. Oh, pocket mirror. Alright, so as you can see, this is the camera interface. There is one thing that you can notice immediately is there is a button. Okay, then switch to the outer screen. And if you want to quit, you just have to slide right to quit. Okay, so that is a little bit different compared to the normal phones you have. Here are the camera features. You have portraits, supports like a full focal length, video resolution, supports up to 8K 24. So guys, just as I check the resolution, I found that thing like if you use like in this way, you fold it away. When you check the resolution, here it only supports 4K, right? 4K 24 when the HDR disabled. But when I unfold it, you can see it supports up to 8K, okay? Up to 8K 24. So why? What happened? That is basically the camera. Okay, I will show you some samples. This is 4K 60 for the front from the Xiaomi Mix Flip. Okay, so indoors. Let me see if like it's if durable, but not durable. Adorable. I have a key. Okay, indoors. All right. Let's see if looks really stable. Not bad. Really not bad. All right. Even when like wow, like I'm running with it. It looks all good. Okay. All right, 4K 60 FPS from the rear camera with the default stabilization. And here we go. The weather is really nice. Just has just rained. From yeah, all good, right? And let's take some photos. Okay, let me run a little bit, just a second. Seems good, right? 3 times zoom, 3 times, 6 times zoom. All right. Okay, you can take a picture at the same time. Okay. Finally, to the part you guys love most, the audio test. If you wonder about the specs or something, here you go. Mix Flip, Snapdragon 3, 12 plus 4 gigs of RAM, 480 milliamp battery, a mini display, sub display, main display. Okay, and here you go. Our rear camera is 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel. Wow, so you can see the screen here. 94%. It's like the screen. Ooh. 96%, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, just check out the screen. All right, and turning to different angles. 98%, ladies and gentlemen. Soon you will see the performance, the Antutu score, and because of time we only test the Antutu bench. Okay, 19, okay, 1.7 million. I think it's a little bit lower than most of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 phones, right? Because normally, you know, they will get to like 2 million or something. And also you can see the temperature. 49, 48, oh my goodness. it is hot, especially this part, super hot. Alright, that is my simple unboxing and hands-on of the Mix Flip. I gotta say, Xiaomi has put a lot of effort on this outer screen. I can happily use it more than any other flip phones. You know, I can take photos and use the outer screen, all kinds of, well, it's quite interesting. But one thing, as you can see, it can be getting hot easily, so the thermal might be an issue, but I don't know. This is a demo machine. This is a prototype, and the official one you get might be a little bit different. Okay, so beautiful design, practical and intuitive outer screen, and yeah, it's lightweight. What do you think about it? Will you use it if it goes to your country? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you in the next one. Bye bye.